So dito pala nagkakaroon kami ng bio break, total NLEX.
The story of my life.
Kung saan yung paglalakbay? Ang bilis nyo ah!
Ang bilis ng driver namin, parang ano. Hinahabol eh.
Bakit ang bilis nyo? Siya pala yung dispatcher dito sa kabilang reklamo pala yung mga pasahero mo, bossing.
Kasi nabihan mo kayo, parang
ang daming complaint. Sobrang lamig daw.
hello vlogs! Welcome to my guys! What's up? Shout out!
Kailangan na namin magpa-gas ng aming
Video pala yun eh.
service.
Ngiti-ngiti tayo, video pala.
Oh, pwede naman yung picture. 1, 2. So ayan yung aming service ngayon, no? Stopover kami, stopover. Gas up.
We going on vacation, so where you wanna go? Me? Obsessed with you? Yes.
Kasalubong ko rito, ano ba?
Nari ako, nabili lang.
Walang games dito.
Palayo talaga tayo sa dagat.
Oh, kaway-kaway naman dyan. Yan. Boss, gising ka na, boss. Welcome to Montemar. Oh, finally we arrived. Shout out, sir.
Shout out dyan.
Shout out, sir. Shout out.
Thanks so much. Here's another song.
The road I have traveled on is made with good intention.
Nandito na kami guys sa Montemar.
Mahirapan kita kaibigan.
Grabe.
Okay na pa.
Oh, yung mga naka-assign sa food.
Sa games po ako.
Wow, nandito na kami sa dagat. Finally.
Dito mga pinapasal. Ang lahat ng mga
Parang hindi ko alam yung ginawa mo.
Sana Lord ay maging successful po itong aming summer outing po. Salamat. Amen.
Amen. Thank you, Mr. Ryan de Guzman.
Right, and it's a good time for us to take a step back, to relax, to recharge. We think that it's important that, you know, for us to continue to work effectively and efficiently, there's also a balance between work and fun. A lot of our colleagues are still working in Sariaya and I think Batangas, right? But you're here, so the place is here. Let's just enjoy. And lastly, we need to know each other better. For many of us, mas magaling tayo magtrabaho kapag maganda yung ating relasyon sa ating katrabaho.
Ladies and gentlemen,
are you ready?
Birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, happy birthday. Sino po iyon? Cash prize po ito. Sige, sino po? Jesus! Halika na dito!
Hello, Miss Nieva!
Go change your clothes para you can join. Then yung meal po natin is a managed buffet lunch. Okay?
Kakaiba.
Ayan. Of food and drinks po is subjected to coordination. Wala? So, chips is okay naman. Okay naman daw po. Yan. So, dress code. Please wear comfortable and easy move around in clothes. Please hydrate. We have water station here. Yan. So, observe proper outfit when participating to games. And yun na, blonde. Check kung ilan po ang member age group. Ayan, so sige. By the way, will get first runner-up will get 10,000 pesos. And the group champion will get 15,000.
A few inches later. One eternity later.
Para support.
Oo, basta hindi nakababa. Ayan, nakababa. Dapat nakababa.
Ngayon po ang mananalo. Dalawang paa po ang kailangan pambuhat. Dalawang paa. Oo, pwede. Trial po. Oo, papalitan. Nadadagdagan na lang po ng tubig. Strategize. Mag-strategize mo kayo. We will start in 2 minutes.
Oo, basta kayang i-balance, pwedeng may magpahinga. Pero mag-uusap kayo. Yung mga balakang niya, pagdikitan.
Kulang pa tayo. Kulang pa ba? Kulang pa? Kulang pa tayo. Tatawin mo natin. Ano ba nga? Makagalan lang. Kulang pa.
Tatlo pa.
Teka na, lalaki pa.
Number 1.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready?
Players, on your mark.
Kasya pa mo?
Ready?
Kalahati lang sa akin.
Set.
Gitna ka muna. Gitna lang.
Go! Dahan-dahan. Timer starts Focus, Yan, sige guys. Doing good. Marshals, pakinggan ko, kailangan paalang to ang magbubuhat. Paalang to. Paa. Wala pong kamay. Ayan. Okay. Nakawin na po tayo. Good strategy. Group number 1, opa. Group number 3, chill na chill. May natutulog. Group number 2, chill na chill din. Okay, ayan. May mga naka-pedicure na paa dyan. Ang gaganda ng mga paa. Oh, diba? Oh. Oh, okay. Group 2, walang gumagalaw.
Dito, yupi na yung planggana.
Final round.
Huwag niyong iwanan to, masisira to. Sigurado.
Narapan sila mag-explain dito. Ano po yan?
Tumapit ka dyan! Magkahawak, ma'am. Bali na makikita yung oil, tapos napapaligiran siya ng mga planta. Ito yung mga station. So, kailan lang yung planta ngayon, in the future, mas dadami pa siya. Mama, yan kasi yun. Connect more wind plants for the environment. Sorry, grass. O yan, grass. Okay, sabi po ito para yung adjust po, check and go out. Ayan.
For the group effort, picture daw muna, picture. Okay. So, the first runner-up. Okay, so ito, may kwento. Ito daw, kasi ang tiebreaker natin yung sand castle, di ba? Ay, sorry, yung sand sculpture. So, yung group na to, yung ginawa nilang sand sculpture is really connected to that dun sa Uni-Oil, ano natin, Uni-Oil Way. So, may logo, ayan, check tayo doon. Meron ding details, meron ding, you know, nagdrama-drama pa sila to explain, di ba? Ng ating, kung bakit yun yung ginawa nila. So, yun. So, dun sa iba, meron lang minus points kasi syempre may disqualification dun sa mga hindi dapat ginamit na materials. Okay. So, ang first runner-up natin with 28 points. 28 points. 2 points lang from the second runner-up is, guess! Ha? Okay. The first runner-up group who will get 10,000 pesos is group number 1. Group number 1, representative. So it means group number 2. Sige, mamaya kayo. So Sir Marlon dito, group number 1, group number 1. Okay, picture.